When is the forex market open? The foreign exchange market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with currencies being traded worldwide across every time zone. So if you're looking for a job where you can freelance, travel, and work at any time of the day, becoming a full-time trader is a great option for you. You can even have weekends off. There are 4 main trading sessions. The Sydney session, or Australian session as some like to call it, the Tokyo or Asian session, the London session, and the New York session. Let's look over how forex trading hours operate. Firstly, you need to be aware that the trading hours differ slightly from summer to winter. Let's take a quick look at the different trading hours in GMT. In the winter, the trading day begins in Sydney at 9 p.m. until 7 a.m. Tokyo follows shortly afterwards at 11 p.m. until 9 a.m. The London session begins at 8 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. And to complete the circle, the New York session kicks off at 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. The summer trading hours are only slightly different, with Sydney starting at 10 p.m. instead of 9 p.m. and going through to 8 a.m. as opposed to 7 a.m. Tokyo with no change, following from 11 p.m. to 9 a.m. London wakes up slightly earlier and starts at 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the New York session opens before lunch, beginning at 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Throughout the different trading sessions, the price quotes for currencies change constantly, and the market is active at any time of the day. However, the best times to trade are when the markets overlap due to there being more activity, and hence more opportunity. So when should I trade, you ask? A good start would be to focus on the Tokyo-London overlap at 8 to 9 a.m. GMT in the winter, and 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT in the summer. Later on in the day, focus on the London-New York overlap from 1 to 6 p.m. in the winter and 12 to 5 p.m. in the summer. Please bear in mind that the best trading hours in this example are in GMT, so if you want to use them from wherever you are in the world, you'll need to convert them into your local time before attempting to trade. Other important aspects to consider that can have huge effects on currency prices are the release of certain economic data or speeches from government or central bank officials. As a trader, you will be faced with the decision of either including the times of these announcements into your trading schedule or to boycott trading during these hours altogether. Either way, it's vital to know what can affect the price of what you are buying or selling, so make sure you check an economic calendar regularly in order to avoid surprises.